Hey everyone! Are you ready to dive into the hidden world of airport functions? I bet you think you know what goes on at an airport, but trust me, there's so much more than meets the eye. First up, let's talk about baggage handling. Ever wonder how your suitcase gets from the check-in counter to the plane? It's an intricate dance of conveyor belts, scanners, and a dedicated team ensuring every bag reaches its rightful owner. It's like a high-stakes game of Tetris happening beneath your feet. Now onto air traffic control. These folks are the unsung heroes of the skies. They manage the takeoffs and landings, keeping those metal birds in perfect harmony. Imagine juggling while riding a unicycle. That's pretty much what they do, but with way more pressure. They're the reason your flight arrives safely. Ever notice those little trucks buzzing around on the tarmac? Ground services include everything from refueling the plane to loading your in-flight meals. Each task is timed to the minute, keeping the whole operation running like a well-oiled machine. Security is another crucial aspect. The teams work tirelessly to ensure passenger safety, using cutting-edge technology and rigorous protocols. Next time you're in line for a security check, remember it's all for your peace of mind. And let's not forget about the terminal staff. From gate agents to customer service reps, these folks are the friendly faces helping you navigate the airport maze. They handle everything from ticketing issues to last-minute gate changes with a smile. Last but not least, there's the behind-the-scenes tech. Airports use sophisticated software to manage everything from flight schedules to maintenance checks. It's a digital orchestra ensuring every piece of the puzzle fits perfectly. So, next time you're jet-setting, take a moment to appreciate the hidden world of airport functions. It's a complex symphony of people, technology, and processes all working in harmony to get you to your destination safely and on time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel insights. Safe travels, everyone!